at it right now. That's how much I have benefited. I got my money back, but this is not for everyone. I'm not going to get greedy here. I'm going to uh, call it, lock it up, the profit here. Oh, from just even talking to you, lost what, $2,000? Well, that happens, but I wanted to go on record saying that this is not for everyone. I know what I wanted to do. I wanted to recover my money. You never do that, but for me, it is a different thing. I wanted to get my money, which I lost is $4,000. I'll call it money
Order
right here.
filled.
I have filled the order at a profit of $3,770. How much? $3,770. That's what I have made today. But please, as I have, in all my videos, I say one thing here. You have to only do 1 or 2 trades a day. For me, it's a different thing. I know my calculations. I'm confident when I go in the trade. And even this morning, the early trade you saw, I wanted to make a point here that when you get your money, once you have practiced a lot, and I have given you an okay, after I will share, excuse me, I share my trading style, and that trading style will enable you. Again, no financial advice. I always say that protocol established, even if I don't say it anymore in my future videos, that I am not a financial advisor and I will never give anybody a financial advice. That said, I went back in there. The money you saw we lost this morning. I went back there, recovered, and I have made $3,770 in a matter of minutes here. I wanted to do that. I wanted to get my money, but this is not for everyone. So please, you don't do that. You are limited while you are practicing. And even once you get to a stage where I feel like that now you can use your own money to get in the business. When you want it, you have to do your own calculations. Lesson learned to be learned here: do maximum of 2 trades in an NQ. Don't lose more than $500 and get out, and then wait for another day to go back in with a new mindset, clear up, and don't dwell on it. Just go back and study the trade you placed. Why did it lose money? You had a set of calculations, and where did you go wrong? Market will, even though you saw it in the morning, even though you calculate that you can do it, you can make your money, you can get out at certain point, and for whatever reason you may not close your trade, or you don't put a stop loss on it, but the consequences are right there that you will lose your shirt. Now, what you have to be careful is that it's your hard-earned money. Don't lose it. Nobody gives anybody any money. I wanted my money because I know that I can do it, not as a revenge. Again, it was not in revenge that I placed the trade and made $3,770. Not for everyone. Matter of minutes. You saw it. Went in, made money, closed it. I could make a bit more. No, don't get greedy. I was confident that it will be a good trade for me, and I did it. All right. So, please, 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 never get greedy. You're breathing. That means you're alive. You can come back and make a good run the next time. Right? Okay. All right. I'm done. So it's again October 10, Friday, 2025. Time is 11 a.m. New York time, which you see it on my top right chart, which is a 1 minute chart. Top left is a 5 minute chart. The bottom right is a 15 minute chart, and the bottom left is a 30 minute charts. These are the charts I keep looking, I keep calculating. I try to absorb whatever experience I have gained. I have lost a lot of money. Over the last 10 years, before I got to this stage, as you say, wow, it's so easy for you to make money. It's not easy. I've lost 100,000, plus minus money where I'm at today, and I can still lose, and anybody can lose. So don't you ever think that you can become cocky and you know what you're doing. I am not like that. I would not say that. I'm passionate about trading, but I put my heart and soul in human beings and in a beautiful environment. I love pets. I love animals. I love birds. I love nature. That's me. I like to be with people. I'm a people person, and that's all I look at it like that. You can, I don't know if you can hear. Let me, I was, while I was patiently waiting for this here, I like to listen to the music in the background. If you don't like it, don't do it. But I can operate like that here. Um, it's some old classic they are playing. So it was a really romantic, what is it? Let me see if I still have it here. What was it? Let me ask Miss Google here to up the volume. Hey Google, turn up the volume by 35%. This is rainy day love music in the background. I don't know if it is it's a volume high enough to be recorded here. So that's what it is. I like that some kind of music playing. I love my favorite. Well, I like all genre music. So although I think when I go for a walk, not think when I go for a walk every day. Oh, softly hidden heart. Okay. I listen to jazz. Jazz is my all-time favorite, but I love all kinds of music. From one end of the spectrum of genre music to the other. But I'm a rainbow guy when it comes to music. Music, I think, is the most beautiful thing one can bring in one's life. It teaches a lot about life. Enough of that. Anyways, so back to the trade here. Done my deal. Made what I wanted to make. That was a beautiful trade we went through. Made my money, and I'm done. I'm going to put this on. Don't follow me on this here that I went back in the market. You have your limits. Only 2 trades a day. Get out and breathe, and then forget about it. Learn your lesson and go back to your drawing board. Do the calculations and study why this trade went wrong. Not your fault. Sometimes you make all the calculations right, and even though the trade may go against you, if it does, so be it, because that's not in our control. The one control we have is on ourselves. When to place the trade, with a lot of patience. Secondly, put a stop loss on it. A loss you can live with. That's it. That's the way I go by. Live by the sword, die by the sword. I keep repeating that. All right. You guys have a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day here in Houston. And weekend coming up. Enjoy it. I'm going to do the same. Hey, listen, I bought a unicycle. No, I'm not going to join any circus. I like to challenge myself. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to learn unicycle. When do I start? Well, I'm going to make an overseas trip. I'll be long gone. I don't want to break my bones before I go. So I may not do that. When I come back, I'll do that. How about that? And I'll keep it. And I'll let you know my progress on it. All right? You guys be safe. God bless you all. And we'll see you Monday. Bye for now.